Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit the Google Spreadsheet in view only mode. So as you guys can see here, I've already opened a file on Google Sheet where the file is view only. So I cannot do anything or edit anything on this file because this is the view only mode and I'm not the creator of this file. So here is the trick or what you can do to edit the file. So open the file and click on the file menu here at the top left corner. Then click on the make a copy option. Here I'm going to just rename it copy of editing and choose a folder. Click on make a copy, and after that the copied version will automatically open like this. So if you still want to edit the view only spreadsheet, this is what you need to do. So after you copy it here, you can make some changes into the file. For example, I'm going to delete this, you can see, and I also can type in here. Okay, so that's a trick from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.